Hey there, Davers! Yesterday I was in Berlin meeting with SkySense, one of our partners, and going over the final details of the drone charging network we're setting up together in Italy. Today I traveled to Munich. I had a chance to work on the KYC process along the way and go over some legal documents and emails I had waiting for me. But I'm here for the main event, which is the DailyDAV all-member meeting. DailyDAV is an organization that includes some of the top automotive companies in the world, which I'm going to be meeting with over the next couple of days, as well as attending the face-to-face meeting of the W3C Automotive Working Group, of which I'm a member of. See you tomorrow for more.
Hey Davers, today is going really well. From yesterday's outreach, which was 30 emails, we already got 4 answers, so I'm going to schedule calls for later this week. Me and John just onboarded a new partner called First Class Drones. You can see their logo here. It's a drone as a service company based in Canada. We'll add them to our alliance page. And lastly, I'm just trying to help Lior with his new offering for the Taxi Alliance. We'll see that soon. Bye.
Hi guys. Yesterday I continued with the Telegram analysis and incoming emails. Today I'll be focused on reaching out to our contributors to prepare them for our upcoming KYC process. See you next time.
Hi everybody. Today I continue to work on my task of CRUD service provider front-end application. And that's it for today. Bye.
Hey guys. Yesterday I worked on the new Blockchain Today webpage and the deck for the ride-hailing prospects, and I continued to work on that today closely with Alex and Yuri. We're getting very close to finish. And I also reviewed the KYC process that we soft launched today on the website, and worked on several other website features coming in from the legal department. And well, this is it guys. Thanks.
Hey DailyDAVers. Today we brought the KYC process online. It's now live on the site and you can go and see that. I also had an interview and I'm going to have another interview soon. Went through some CVs, and in my spare time, which wasn't so much of it, I continued to work on the BiggleBone so to be ready for the SkySense integration. So see you guys tomorrow.
Hi everyone. A few days we are working at our amazing page, Blockchain Today page. Today I'll help finish it. I made a many iteration this page and it turned out really cool. Also I'll make many banners ideas. Today I'll continue it. I'll do them in Korean, Russian and Chinese language. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.